a regular market analyst for 6 News on the line. Mr. Aslamir, how has the morning session been at the Istanbul Stock Exchange today? Yesterday, the market reached highs not reached since January. Can you tell us what was behind such a strong performance? Let's turn live now to Emily Schmidt in Washington. Hi, Emily. Now, President Obama said he doesn't want to tap into the strategic oil reserves yet to help with gas prices. But you and I have already talked about the rising price of gas in the U.S. right now with an average of $3.79. How is investor sentiment in Istanbul following UK Prime Minister David Cameron's remarks yesterday that Turkey's case for joining the EU is stronger than ever, particularly with regard to its... Let's turn live now to Emily Schmidt in Washington. Hi, Emily. Do we have any idea of what President Obama is going to propose today? What we're waiting for is the U.S. unemployment figures. We'll go back to that later on in the day, of course. Now, the Turkish Treasury said yesterday it will borrow 4...
To here in Washington. Michal?
So, Emily, it seems gas prices is going to be one of the important factors for the election. Now, let's talk a little bit about the election. President Obama went to Chicago for the first major fundraiser since he announced he is running for re-election. Did we get any signs last night of how he plans to run that campaign? I don't know if it's going to open yet at 2 o'clock, but hopefully it will. And according to you, we've had some good figures for Turkish Airlines, at least for the beginning of the session. Now, let's turn to another specific company, BMX. They had gone through an IPO, and today was their first day on the market. Give us an overview of how they started.
Yes.